This is Miss B. This is for my YouTube channel because I just put Miss B on my bed and I put one of my stuffed animals in front of her and she hissed at it. I put specifically this one in front of her and she just hissed at it. So watch this. I just thought it'd be funny to show you that she hissed at this, specifically this one. So I'll show you Miss B hissing at it. She's meowing at it, but she did hiss at it. Look at that, she's hissing at it. Look at that. She does not like it. We got Rocket. So now I see why she doesn't get along with Rocket. I mean, they tolerate each other. But, man. Look at that. Look at that. She's just growling at it. Look at her, she's just growling at it. She's licking her lips. Okay. Look at this. Like, no joke, she's actually hissing at it. I'm not joking. It's just a stuffed toy cat, leopard, and she's just hissing at it and growling. I want her to, like, she's growling at it, but I want to at least see her and hear her hiss at it one more time for the video. There we go. She hissed at it. Okay. Okay, I'll put it back. I'm putting it back and she's still growling at it. Let me throw it on my bed. Okay, it should be on my bed. But man, you growl at Rocket and then you growl at one of my stuffed animals? Seriously? Crazy? What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? Miss B, what do you have to say for yourself? Growling at one of my stuffed animals. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? You just ignoring me and cleaning yourself now? Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. If that's how it's gonna be, that's fine. If you're just gonna ignore me. Bye, everybody.